Hello and welcome to Jewellery Rescue. I'm Kat and I'm a girl on a mission to rescue and recycle the world's unwanted jewellery. A little bit of a different video for you today. I'm getting ready for an event at one of my high street stockists at the weekend. I'm going to be doing some live upcycling and recycling at the event. It's just going to be me, and I'm taking loads of my upcycled jewellery, which I'll show you in a moment, and a huge selection of pre-loved things that I couldn't upcycle or recycle. On the day I'm going to be offering free repairs. I'm going to be chatting to people about how they can restyle things. It's all about rejuvenating the jewellery box and saving things from landfill. So I'm really excited for it, but I have loads to do before Saturday. It's Thursday today. I have to price every single item. I've only got a couple of hours left today, a couple of hours in the morning, and then that's it. So I need to crack on. But a couple of people had commented recently asking to see what I make from the things that I unbox on the channel. So I'm going to show you now. So I picked up this amazing jewellery box in a charity shop this week for £5. Look at these 80s pictures, aren't they cool? And I thought it would make a really nice display, particularly for my upcycled rings. So these are made from individual beads that have come from necklaces and bracelets and so on. And then, so those are silver plated, and I've got one sterling silver. I've got some jewellery in here which was donated ready-made by an ex-crafter, so that is just going to be sold at a good price. I don't want to pull it apart because it's been beautifully made. I've got some pre-loved, or kind of the new on the card earrings that had come in boxes, you know, the charity shop bags that I open on the channel. They all look new, but will come with the caveat that of course they could have been worn. I've got some upcycled gift bags with my logo on. These are some of my upcycled pendants, so some of them just needed putting onto a new chain, others are rescued. This was an earring that's been made into a necklace, this was a ring that I've made into a pendant, and so on. Check out this one, this beautiful abalone shell, and I've wire wrapped a freshwater pearl to go onto this lovely torque. A couple of my upcycled bracelets, so these were made with donated gemstone chips, and then loads of my upcycled earrings. These are my little teeny tiny ones. I do these on studs, all different materials, glass and faux pearls. There's my rainbows. And there's some hoops over here and a few vintage ones that have just been moved over to new hooks. Love these ones that I made the other day. Look at these amazing vintage ones. That was in an unboxing that I did on the channel. You might recognise a few pieces. So that's some of my upcycle stuff. There's already a lot at the shop as well. Excuse the mess down here, but I'm currently sorting pre-loved. There's loads here, and they're just going to be £1 or £2. These things in these boxes are going to be free with purchase, just stuff that I can't really do anything with. £1. Got some lovely bangles. Loads of necklaces there, as they all need pricing. And these are ones that I've pulled out, and then there will be an opportunity to donate at the stall as well. So I'm hoping that we're going to get some amazing donations, and there'll be things to unbox on the channel as well. So the next thing that you'll see from me is me live at the event, so wish me luck pricing it all, and I'll see you in a second. So here we are, here's my setup. I had one table where I was sitting and doing repairs and making some upcycle bracelets with the children. Have my email sign up, and then this is all of my upcycled bits that I showed you in the video before. And then on the other table I had loads and loads of pre-love, which I did manage to get priced up in the end. Here's a little closer look. I pulled some bits out of my shop display there as well. And then just some still photos. I didn't manage to take any footage because I had a constant queue pretty much for the whole event, and these are some of the pieces that I fixed. I was able to fix clasps, rewire bracelets, and that amazing gemstone necklace we just saw. That was the turquoise and coral bracelet before I put it back together again. And here's a few pictures of me at work and at the stall. It was a great event. I'm really pleased I did it, and I'll probably do another one in the future.